How to check all notes you have added to posts and reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can check all notes that you have added to post and reels on Instagram. So firstly, open Instagram on your device and go to your profile section. On Instagram, make sure that you are logged in to your own account. From the bottom panel, go back to the reels section. Firstly, I'm gonna show you by adding a reel to my note. Tap on the send icon at the right side. After that, select the option your note. Now I'm just gonna randomly add this reel to my note. After you have shared this note on your profile, go to your profile section again and tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. In your settings and activity, scroll down slightly. At the top only, you will see the section how you use Instagram. Under that section, select the option your activity. Now go to the notes option. Now in this section, you will see all the notes that you have posted. It could be reels or posts that you have posted on notes, but they will be displayed right here. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.